Welcome to another edition of iaudiobook.com. Okay, we'll be looking at decimals in the present case. If the portion represented in white, when I say white, I'm just meaning out of this particular box that we have, and not the regular white portion, were to be written down as decimals, what would each one of them represent? What would the yellow portion represent? Now, in order to find out what this white piece, which I am just coloring with the help of a red stuff, represents, what do I need to do? I need to count out what are the total number of squares. All these squares are equal. Okay, so first I need to find out how many squares are there in all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 rectangles in each row, and there are how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows. So in all there are 24 rectangles. Right? And if you see, how many rectangles does the white portion represent? I think it's just clustered, so I'll just remove this. It represents 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rectangles. So 6 rectangles are white. So out of total of 24, 6 rectangles are white, right? So how much does the white portion represent? It represents 6 out of 24. Or if you have to write it down, you can also write it down in terms of the fraction. 6 by 24, which is nothing but 6 out of 24. 6 goes into 24 4 times, right? So it is 1 divided by 4, or we just simply divide 1 by 4. So 1 is less than 4, so we just put in a decimal here. We'll get a 0 here. 2 times gives us 8 minus 2. Again, we borrow another 0 here. 20. 4 times 5 is 20. So we'll get 0 here. So 0.25. So basically the white portion out here, if it has to be expressed in form of a decimal, is equal to 0.25. Right? Let us move on to the second question. Let me use a blue color this time. So how many rectangles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 rectangles in a row. And how many rows do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 5. Or we have a total of 50 rectangles. Total. How many are white? We have, let me use a different color. It might not just appear this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 into 2, 10. So we have 10 white rectangles. Right? So the white portion basically represents what? White portion represents 10 out of 50, or 10 by 50. The 0 can cancel, gets with 0, right? 1 divided by 5, or 0.20. When you divide 1 by 5, 1 is less than 5, so we put in a 0.0. 2 times gives you 10 minus 10 minus 10 is 0. So 0.2. So the white portion basically represents 0.20 worth of decimals. Right? We hope you would have liked this video. If yes, please hit the like button. You can also subscribe to our channel or visit our website iaudiobook.com, which has a collection of 1500 plus videos, right? And these are available to free for anyone across the globe. Thank you very much.